This ain't your average shrimp and grits. Creamy, spicy, and bursting with flavor in every bite. Let me show you how to make the Southern classic with a Caribbean twist. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So I have about a pound of peel colossal shrimp. I have some andouille sausage. We have white cheddar, Sriracha gouda for that extra spice. We have some chicken bullion, bell peppers, butter, green onion. Of course, we got to have the grits. This is a quick grits. It's going to be cooking like 5-6 minutes. Brown sugar, heavy cream. We have some green seasoning that we blended previously. And here are the seasoning that I'll be using. I have some Old Bay, complete seasoning, and some smoked paprika. All right. And you're also going to need some water. All right. So we're going to jump right into the recipe and get started. Let's go. All right. So we're going to go ahead and wash our bell peppers. Give it a nice little rinse. Make sure it's nice and clean. We're going to do the same thing for the green onions and our red onion. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and dice all these ingredients right here, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. So you want to give it a nice little chop. And then we're gonna dice these. And we're just gonna use half of the red onion. Right, this is looking colorful. All right, so we're gonna set this aside, clean up the cutting board a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next step. See you in a bit. So you're only gonna need 2 andouille sausages, all right? We're gonna give it a nice little chop. Now, we're gonna combine the shrimp with the andouille sausage. We're gonna add our seasoning, and then we're gonna start searing a little bit, all right? So drop in your sausage. Then we're gonna add our complete seasoning. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of this complete seasoning. We're gonna add a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Not too much. Just gonna add a nice little flavor and color as well. And then we're gonna add the Old Bay seasoning for that saltiness, you know, for that seafood flavor. We're gonna add about a tablespoon. All right, there you go. Now, I'm gonna add my green seasoning. This is 1/4 cup of green seasoning. That's gonna add that Cajun spice. So this green seasoning right here, guys, it's a combination of thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, green onions, and a few other spices. All right. So mix it up, give it a nice little mix, and this is how it should be looking. Can you see it? Take a look, guys. See? That is it. So we're gonna go ahead, start cooking this up for about a few minutes, about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna add our herbs, you know, our bell peppers and stuff like that. And then cook it for another 2 minutes and we should be good. All right, so keep watching, guys. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start grating our cheese. This is our spicy Sriracha gouda. We're gonna try to do about a 1/2 cup. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of the white cheddar. This is gonna be so good, guys. so good. It's gonna be creamy, spicy, packed with a bunch of flavor. If you want to add more cheese to your grits, that's totally up to you. But we're not gonna overdo it right now. Just a half a cup each. So at this point, guys, you want to turn your stove to about a medium heat. All right, turn to about a medium heat just to get the pan nice and hot. And then we're going to add 2 cups of room temperature water. Then we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. The heavy cream, guys, trust me, you definitely need to try this. It's going to add a nice flavor to your grits. It's also going to make it nice and soft. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a nice little mix. And once it starts to boil, start to bubble, then we're going to add in our grits. All right. So this is about a half cup of grits, half cup to be exact. And the cheese that we shredded earlier, we're going to add most of it into the liquid, and then we're going to save some for the actual creamy sauce that we're going to make for the shrimp and andouille sausage. Stir it up, and then we're going to add some complete seasoning, about a tablespoon. Give it a nice little stir. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, all right? Add a little saltiness to it. So we're going to add in our half cup of grits. Give it a nice little stir. And we're just gonna cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. We're not gonna cook it for long, guys. All right? Once it starts to bubble a little bit, you just gotta keep stirring. Keep stirring until it's nice and smooth. As you can see right now, guys, it's a little bit loose, but once the liquid starts to dry out a little bit, evaporates, then you're gonna see the real deal, all right? All right, so it's bubbling right now, guys. It's boiling. Turn it down, all the way down on low heat. Keep stirring. So if you notice that the liquids start to run over a little bit, start to foam, just remove the pot from the heat, and then that will, do the trick. At this point, we're going to turn our stove to about a high heat. Add some vegetable oil. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add our bell peppers and onion mixture. We're going to save a little bit of the mixture just for garnish. Just a little bit. Give it a nice little mix. And we're going to do this for a few seconds, about 30 seconds. Just to cook them up a little bit. Oh, it's smelling so good. All right, so now we're gonna add our shrimp and sausage. And we're just gonna cook it up for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and give it a nice little flip after about a minute. Want to make sure everything is nicely cooked, you know. And after about 2 more minutes, we're going to add a little bit more heavy cream with some cheese, the shredded cheese that we shredded earlier. So cook this up a little bit more, a little bit longer. So you want to cook your shrimp and sausages for about 2 to 3 minutes, you know. And like I said, you want to turn your stove to high heat. It's looking good, smelling good. So now we're going to add a little bit heavy cream, guys. About a half cup of heavy cream. Stir it up a little. Let it bubble. Yeah, man. Now we're gonna add shredded cheese. Stir it up. This shrimp and grits recipe right here, guys, is packed with a bunch of flavor. Trust me. This is a must-try shrimp and grits recipe. Add some lemon, fresh squeeze, a little citrus flavor. Mix it again, and we're gonna let it simmer, let this sauce become thick, and then we are good to go. See you in a bit. All right, guys, this is so creamy. Look at this. Wow. Not too thick, not too loose, just right. Yeah, man. Oh my God. All right, so we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of bell peppers, green onions, and red onion. All right, that is it, guys. This is it right here. This is my creamy Cajun shrimp and grits recipe. Beautiful. All right, y'all, so my favorite part of the video, I'm about to do a taste test and let y'all know how it turned out. So we're gonna start off with shrimp. Wow. So good. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. It's not rubbery, just right. Let's try the grits. Wow. Trust me, this is a must-try recipe, guys. Let me try it with that sauce, that creamy Cajun sauce on top. This is it. If you've never had shrimp and grits like this, you're missing out. It's a must-try. Go check it out. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.